Checking out the factory. It's hot today. It is brutal. It's definitely hotter than yesterday. What is it?
It's a Manhattan ribeye steak.
Ribeye steak. Well,
I mean,
let me try.
like a regular. I don't know how to explain it. It's like it doesn't have a lot of like, you know, it doesn't have like a lot of.
It does. There is some meat flavoring to it.
Yeah, it's like a. I don't know how
Give me
to
one
explain
more.
it.
Can I try one?
Mm-hmm.
It's like
It's interesting.
I think after you chew the steak, like that, like you chew the steak too long.
Different. What's the steak flavor? Well, he likes it. Okay, we are here. We're gonna check out the tunnels, right?
Yeah.
And possibly shoot some guns.
What?
Probably do some crawling. Then we'll see. We'll see as we go.
Tanner.
Dang it! I think it's me.
So Tanner.
Well,
It's your freckles that make you really dark too.
it's something.
Your chocolate chips.
That's not funny. Can you get out? Or you need help?
Ready? Watch your arms.
Okay, I don't know if you can see, but this is getting smaller and smaller. We're probably like 3 feet tall, 3 feet high, guys. Okay, Belle.
Can we get out?
Around 4.
Keep going. And then,
I don't think we can
We
turn
need to
around.
get out.
okay, can't turn around.
We need to get out. We need to get out.
Okay. Hold on. Sorry, we are turning. I know.
Sorry.
Mom, it's literally right here, Mom.
Huh?
Literally right there.
Oh, sorry, wait.
Oh my gosh, Tin. Sorry, they're going through. They're. It's long. It's okay. Long. It's okay.
What do you mean?
The exit's right here.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry about that, guys.
All right. Oh, because it blacks out. Hello. Go straight. Which way's out? Okay. Thank you.
Okay, this way go out, go more.
Oh, go out. This way here. That's good. Excuse me. Thank you. It's okay. Whew.
Thanks, Brian.
There's no way I could have gone smaller.
Yeah, there's no way I could have gone.
That was starting to get creepy. I don't know how they did that. That was starting to get creepy. Are you okay? I got my shoulder rub. Hit the wall a couple times.
My legs burn.
Whew.
That was torture. That's a workout.
That is the hard work, man.
And we only
Where's
went 20
Mark?
meters.
Daddy, did you have to bend a lot?
I know.
I crawled on all fours the whole way.
That was
That's scary.
that was hard.
Hard.
I'm like so out of breath.
Where the ladies?
They're this way.
What's that? And then people live down here, right? How do they?
Okay,
My legs burn now.
that was a workout. Squatting, going down that thing. It was small.
Claustrophobic.
And it was dark, like very dark.
Who did continue?
No, they're all here.
No, I
That
couldn't
was-
continue. I was like,
So some of them were starting to freak out when it was starting to get really dark. And wow, that's just an appreciation of, well, they definitely had a long, strong, sorry, they really had strong muscles to do that.
Yeah.
That was hard.
We do it 20 meters.
Yes, I forgot to mention that part.
This is
That was only,
like
20 meters.
miles.
So, pretty
A whole
impressive.
bit.
Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. That's good.
It's good though. It's true. I like theirs better.
Oh, that's good. Real good.
Did it change your life?
That's it.
This is good. Yeah.
Well, there's a bitterness to this one.
Huh?
Ours is better. My life has changed.